Hi, Namaskar. Today our chapter is on pair of linear equation in two variables. When we talk about linear equation, the general form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So another one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Main aim is to solve the equation. There are different methods in solving this equation. So, methods to solve pair of linear equation. First one is our graphical method. In graphical method, when we solve this pair of linear equation, we get three conditions. We get graph in this form. This is the line 1 and this line 2. If this line 1 and line 2 meets at a point, we get unique solution, and the two lines intersect at a point. If these two lines intersects at a point, then we say these two lines have unique solution. When these two lines overlap one another, we say lines are coincident. In this case, we have infinitely many solutions. If the lines are parallel, then we have no solution. Second substitution method, we find out the value of x in terms of y or value of y in terms of x, whichever we want, or in a convenient way. This value of x in terms of y we substitute here in place of x. In our third method, which is called elimination method, we remove one variable. For example, 3x plus 4y equal to 10, 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Here we multiply the coefficient of y in first equation, 5 we multiply here, the coefficient of this first equation, coefficient of y, 4 we multiply here, and after multiplying 4 we get this one. Then we can remove this variable. Then we are left with only x. Here the fourth method, cross multiplication method. We take the general equation.
The right hand side of the equation must be always 0, and the coefficient a1 b2 minus a2 b1 must not be equal to 0.
Let us take the coefficient of x as a1, a2, y as b1, b2 with the constant term c1, c2. To solve this equation, two pairs of equation, and we write x equal to, below we'll write AB. When we talk about x, we just cover this one and we are left with BC. Then we write BC, BC. So in this case we write 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. And we give the minus sign here. When we talk about y, we cover the taking in the cyclic order in this way. Then this is in the form of circle. So when we cover B, we have got CA. So in this case we write C1, A2, C2, A1 with a minus sign, A1, B2 minus A2, B1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Condition to solve pair of linear equation into variable. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then we have unique solution. In graph, line intersects at a point. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then we have infinitely many solutions. Then the value of x and y are dependent and consistent. In graph, the line coincides. It overlaps one another. third case, if A1 is by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, then we have no solution. In graph, the lines are parallel. In several cases of mathematical representation are not linear, then we alter them to give a linear expression. In such case, what we do is 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13. We write it 2a plus 3b equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. We write it 5a minus 4b equal to minus 2, where we alter the position of 1 by x and we find out the value of a and b, and later we can find out the value of x. So we write a equal to 1 by x and b equal to
1 by y. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.